Welcome to my channel. Mural. Fresco is also called mural painting. People from wealthy community started the trend of having their houses painted for decoration. This style of painting was used also 2000 years ago to draw pictures on the walls of Ajanta and Ellora caves. To keep it as fresh as new, it was also being used by Michelangelo in 1600 AD at the Sistine Chapel at Vatican by drawing stories from the Bible across the roof of the chapel. Artists painted as well ceilings and pillars and even or arches above windows. One can see floral paint patterns, animals, birds, religious motifs, and scene of epics. At first, natural colors in local tones were used. Later on, bright synthetic colors such as red-blue took over. Mosaic. In the ancient age of Christian artists preferred mosaic paintings more than other style of painting. The contemporary art of Reagan Christians were very popular among them. Domians were exceptionally talented and popular. The artists also used this type of art to characterize the Bible, example of which can be seen in Paris, Vienna, etc. Woodcut. This type of art originated in Japan. In India, during the Mughal ages, many of the artists adopted the Japanese style of wood carving in their own way to make various splendid artificials. At present, this type of art is popular all over the world. Engraving. It is the art of carving done on the surface of stones on copper sheets originating in the middle of 15th century. The art of engraving on other metals was started by the Italian and Japanese artists. Thanks for watching this video. If you are watching this video, then hit the like button and leave a comment below.